Starting up a YouTube channel can be very, very easy, as simple as ABCD. But there are some of the things that you need to do so that you can be able to get your channel to that level, which is one of the things is verifying your channel. Okay, by verifying your channel, you'll be able to do some certain things. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you in details how you can be able to verify your channel, okay, using your Android phone, using your smartphone, using your iPhone, any categories of phone that you have at all. Because I noticed that a lot of content creators don't have laptops or they don't have desktop that will enable them to do that. Okay. I'll be showing you in details that no matter the country that you are, you can, yes, use your phone to verify. And if you've been having issues of not being able to verify, probably they are telling you, oh, change your number, change your number. It is simply because your number is not properly duly registered. So if you know you've been having such issues, please go back and re-register your number. And why I'm actually doing this video is because I've gotten a whole lot of comments, especially when I'm doing my live streams during the weekends, and people will be like, oh, Sonia, I can't verify. Why am I not verifying? Please help me. I want to verify this, that, that. This, do a video on how we can verify and the rest of that. All of that thing that has been giving you worries is what I am here to sort out today, because I always tell you guys that any question that you drop for me, I am definitely going to answer you. The first question that will come into your mind is, why do I need to verify my channel? You need to verify your channel for these three reasons. Okay, one of the reasons is because you need to verify your channel so that you can be able to be putting a custom thumbnails. Okay, some persons will be like, I am new here, what is thumbnail? What are they talking about when it comes to thumbnail? Thumbnail is that first picture that you will see and then you will click that you watch videos. Okay, thumbnail is that picture, that first picture that we attract you. You can check out our big content creators as well. They don't joke with thumbnails, they work with thumbnails, because thumbnail is that thing that will definitely attract anyone to your channel. If you don't know how to create a thumbnail, there is no problem with that. All you need to do is let me know in the comment section if you need the tutorials on how to create a custom thumbnail, then I'll be doing that. Okay, because there are apps meant for that. Second reasons why you need to verify your YouTube channel is because so that you can be able to go live. Without verification, you cannot go live. That's why a whole lot of you have 100 subscribers, have 50 subscribers, have even 1,000 subscribers, but you can't be able to go live because you have not verified. You have not told YouTube that, oh, I have a particular number that you people can also connect with me. Okay, so you need to also, that's why you can be able to go live. Okay, third reasons why you need to verify your YouTube channel is for you to be able to upload videos that are more than 15 minutes. I understand that as a creator sometimes it is a little bit difficult for you to upload videos that are more than 15 minutes, but it is best for you to verify it now, so that even in future times when you have videos that are more than 15 minutes, you can be able to upload without any issue.
It's vibe with Sonia.
So with no further ado, let me show you guys in details how you are going to verify your YouTube channel, and then at the end of the day you are going to thank me. Okay, let's go there, guys. So let's learn how to verify. The first thing you need to do is to go to Chrome, and you're going to be clicking on studio.youtube.com. After that, you're going to be seeing your studio stuff, so you can click on it. This is actually my baby's account, so I'll have to switch this account so that you're going to know how we're going to do it. Okay, because I created a new account so that I'll be able to use this one to teach. So right now I've switched to the new account that I created, and I'll just wait for it to load. After loading, it is going to look like this, which is exactly what you're seeing. Then the next thing you have to do is to scroll down. You're going to be seeing a setting bar on your YouTube studio. Okay, so this is actually the desktop version, and that's why I'm doing it with my phone, so that it can be easy for you. You're going to be seeing general, channel, upload defaults, permission, community, and agreement. So you click on channel. If you click on channel, you're going to be seeing basic info, advanced setting, and future eligibility. So you're going to click on future eligibility. And if you've not verified yet, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be showing you that eligible, that is, you should enable it. Okay, because you can see the first one is already enabled, which is the standard feature. So you click on intermediate, and then you're going to see verify phone number. So you're going to click on that place that you're seeing verify phone number. So once you click, you also allow it to load for you, and this is what you are going to see, where you get to see your country there. If your country is not there, you can actually change it to your own country. Okay, just depending. After that, you're going to go directly to where you're going to input your number. So I'll be putting this particular phone number here, and after typing the particular phone number, the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to click next. And once I click next, I'll also wait for it to load so that I'm going to see their reply. So they said there was a problem sending a verification code to this number. Please enter a different phone number. So if you have been experiencing this as well, just know that you need a proper registered phone number with your BVN, your NIN, and every other stuff in details. So I'm going to enter my other number that I'm using. So after typing it, I'm also going to click on next, and you can see that I said a text message of code of 6 digits has been sent to you. Enter the 6 digits. So I'm just going to wait for me to receive the code. After receiving the code, I'm going to type in the code, of which that is exactly what you should also do. After typing in the code, I'm going to click on submit, and after loading, this is what they showed me: phone number verified. Congratulations, your phone number has been verified. This is for you to note that this phone number that I use here, I've used it to verify other of my YouTube channel. I even use it to verify my daughter's channel. So just know that with one phone number you can like verify multiple channel. Okay, anyways, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm saying it from my own perspective. So after that, you are going to go back and check if the phone number aspect is already showing verified. So you're using the same method of going to the setting button, and then you're seeing that the intermediate is now enabled. So we're going to also click and zoom out the intermediate so that we'll know if the place is verified. You can see here standard feature enabled and verify phone number. They have marked it for us good. That is to say everything, our phone number has now been verified. Okay, so you can see it here. So what I would advise you to do is, as you're watching this video, you also try as much as possible to be doing it so that it will be very, very, very easy for you. And if you have issues with your phone number, just please try another phone number, because I've gotten a lot of comments where people will be like, oh Sonia, I've tried as much as possible to like verify, no way, do a video, do a video, do a video. Now you guys have made me to create another brand new channel, and this is the video. Okay, so try to verify your phone number so that all other stuff that you're not been able to like achieve on your YouTube, you can at least achieve it. Okay, with that being said, let's just go right back into this video. So after knowing how to verify your channel, I hope this video is really, really helpful to you. If it does, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, don't forget to ask me any question that you want to ask me in the comment section, because definitely I am going to be putting you through in everything that is giving you issues. And yes, with no further ado, I do add like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be Simba, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys, I love you. Mwah. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share like I've said. Bye.